Good day. I'm Maria C. Passion. Came from Calbucab na Cavite. My birthday is on October 19, 1991. I'm 18 years old. I'm the eldest sister-daughter of Mr. Rupo and Lani Passion. In my stage of 12 years old, I used to collect SpongeBob items until now. I finished my elementary education at San Roque Elementary School at Naik Cavite, and my secondary level I finished my secondary level at Halang Naik National High School. As I grow older, I have a lot of behavior, attitude, and a way of thinking. I have own abstract thought, sharp and intelligent mind. I found to realize my dreams and hopes. Now, in my second year level in college student, which I take the STRM Bachelor of Science in Tourism and Resort Management, I encounter more experiences that give me happiness and not to be bored in life. And also, I have changing personality. Depending on situation and low self-esteem, and also I feel to involve to other guy. I prove to myself that I belong to second stage of being good and happy goer girl, because now I belong to a circle of friends which gave me a happiness. But now as a teenager, I also tends to experience to love and to be lost in love. Thank you.
Parang